Yeah, you see your reflection? Hi, Sonic. I'm trying to see if Athena gets into any trouble today. She already has. She got up on the counter again. And she's crapped on the floor twice. What you doing there, Athena? I have this big wine cabinet, and my parents hardly ever drink wine. Mom might have like a glass once a week. So consequently, these bottles never go anywhere. What you doing, bird? Yeah, you see all that? That's a picture of you. That's your reflection. I got a video of her on this carpet when I first had it installed. You're such a curious parrot. You know, Athena, when we live in a house with hardwood floors, I'll let you down more often. I mean, I'll have to block off all the baseboards. See, look. Okay, she's going to go up. Or are you? Is it because you know I'm watching? There we go. Look at this. I know where she's going, too. Oh, you are hilarious. You're a hilarious birdie, Athena. Really working at it, huh? Are you playing on the monkey bars? She's changing her behavior because she knows I'm watching. Can you make it on the outside there? Ah, there you go, huh? Why, those chairs were just tailor-made for you, weren't they? Sonic's watching nearby. There's nothing under there. Don't bite that. Don't bite that. And stretch my leggy out real far. Yeah, you know I'm watching you, huh? What is that down there? This little cart. Birdie, bird, bird, birdie, bird, bird, bird. I've never seen her do it this way before. There we go. That's the she usually does it. What you gonna do? Uh-huh. Yeah, now you can see where she's going. Her destination was trouble all along. Yeah. Sonic, what do you think? Yeah, you know you're in trouble. Look at all this. Look at all this. Look at all these holes. You got all this crap all over the floor? No. What do you have to say for the fans at home?